Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. Then again 6 minus 6 is equal to also 0. Now 0 multiply 0 is equal to 0. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, P means parenthesis, M means exponents, M means multiplication, D means division, means addition, and S means subtraction. Here parenthesis is first priority, exponent is second priority, third priority is multiplication and division. Both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. And fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So in this problem, first priority is this multiplication. Then we have to solve this subtraction. Okay. So 6 minus 6 multiplied 6 is equal to 36 minus 6. Now here is subtraction and here is subtraction. Both have equal priority. So first we have to solve from left to right. So first we have to solve this subtraction. 6 minus 36 is equal to minus 30. Minus 6. Now minus 30 minus 6 is equal to minus 36. Okay. So the correct answer is minus 36. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching the video.